Shira and I happened to come out for a run, and Shira found this little turtle next to the pond. And I saw this hole behind it and was trying to figure out what it was. Turns out there's an egg inside. This little turtle is laying eggs. Not sure if you can tell, but there's a nice little egg in there. And what she does is she'll lay an egg and then use her feet to be able to push it down further. Look at that. That's sensational. See, she's kind of using her foot to push it down further in the hole that she dug. So here's her hole. She's using her foot to be able to push the eggs down in the hole. They're very soft eggs. Good job, Mama. Little bitty eggs. Thanks, Mama. Thank you, Miss Turtle, for letting me see this. This is very cool. I'm going to leave so you can finish your process. I don't want to interrupt you anymore. Sorry we interrupted you during our run, but I'm very excited and thankful that you let us see it. But now it's time to let you finish, do your thing, be a good mama, and then head back to the pond. And then hopefully we'll see lots more little ones later in the spring. So Mama Turtle's making her way back to the water. It's been about 20 minutes. I went ahead and set up a camera and then I left her all alone because I didn't want to cause her any trouble. There she goes. give her some space. There she goes, into the water. Huh? I heard her in the water. Good job, Mama. So Mama went back into the water. She took the trail here. And let's see her finished nest. She did a pretty good job, you can barely tell. There is her finished nest. Pretty good. I wouldn't have even known if I didn't see her there. She packed it down nice and good. So there's at least 3 eggs in there, maybe more. Couldn't really tell. Wanted to leave her alone and do her thing. Very cool. Turtle nest. Hopefully, and I think they said 45 to 75 days, we'll have some babies. So that's the top of a turtle nest. We'll be very careful around this area, that's for sure.